Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Well, I'm Lucas, this is 1194 video, and I wanted to go ahead and wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Of course, I'm going to be busy in my shop doing things, trying to get the Chevelle ready to paint, but this is the video just to show you the progress on this 1968 Ford Mustang that we went and picked up and show everything that's been done to it. The wheels are on now, the engine's in, transmission's in, everything's hooked up. It's now being able to crank up and run and drive under its own power. Let's go ahead, dive right into the car. First thing you notice, these right here we did in the last video. Those are the 315s under a stock wheel tub. And of course, they do not stick out. And there's the wheel spacer that's on it, the hub-centric spacer. Those right there are for a 94 to 03 Mustang back spacing. The fronts, of course, are custom made, 7 inches. Now going up under the hood. There's that engine. Everything's been tore down, all seals replaced. Changed out the headers on it. Those are long tube headers. Of course, some things need to be replaced as well. All the brake system's been replaced, redone. Heater motor, everything under here that's been painted, put back on. A few little things that's custom made because this right here is where the old AC and power steering would have been on the Fox body engine. And it had an alternator, if you remember. Since there ain't no fastener there, it must be in there because that's where the air conditioner compressor was. So it's just on there to keep the belt off the water pump. So there was that big alternator on top just to keep it away where the air conditioner used to be. So that's basically just a delete kit there. So it's running everything like it should, where it needs to be. This car isn't a power steering car, so there's no need for that. It's not an air car. But the heat works. A few little things in the dash need to be buttoned up. The speed armor cable's in the transmission. The transmission in this car, it's the one that was removed from the red car that was in a previous build. All the exhaust is ran. This car already had exhaust already out the back. So all that's just buttoned back up to those new long tube headers. So now it's going to be a matter of just getting the glass out, getting all the trim off, everything off the car, front windshield out, so that, of course, all the front end parts, grill, lights, everything needs to be off the car so that I can start getting the body of the car down and slicked up so that it can look like that one right there, minus that. And inside here, of course, going to have to need some more for this little strip here, but got the kill mat on the floor. Okay, so we went ahead and checked out everything on the car. The engine is bored 30 over, 302.50 roller motor, 306 GT40 heads. So now let's go ahead and hear it start up. everybody for watching. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to get it. But that's going to be it for this baby. Now it's time to get in the paint booth, start stripping it down, get some of that dark shadow gray, like what's on this, that DuPont pepper gray, get it on this car. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.